Hey guys, tell me, is it cold?
Yes. It's very cold. Yeah, see, you're great.
I thought Florida was supposed to be warm.
The water's definitely not, though.
And it's got a breeze today, so it's really nice today. It's probably in the 70s or 80s.
Next door. When I get in, it'll be cold. You know?
It's not that cold.
Yeah, they're already underwater.
Wee! Ow!
Hey, Mom.
Let me get.
Wee! Up to the ball. What?
The wall is cold. Today is not a warm day for me.
It's just
Alright, it's not that bad.
like.
Cold.
I think I just scraped the button.
Right up. Start kicking. Use your arms. Use your arms. Whoa. You're okay. You're okay. You want to go forward?
Did it though.
She did. Keep your head up. Head up.
Good job. Good job. Oh.
So graceful.
Keep going. You got it. Yep.
Look, Felicity learned to swim the other day. Woo! Yay, Felicity.
Houston did too, but he still doesn't trust himself.
Oh,
I'm actually trying.
He's
you're
trying. All right, your turn. All right, watch out. He's like a little bit. Go, Houston.
You got it. Watch your head. I'm sorry. Oh, okay.
I'm gonna go inside.
All right,
Oh,
love you.
good?
That was fun.
Okay, you're okay. You're okay.
Anyway, but Internet told us how to do it.
You want to keep kicking though. You don't want to stop.
Yeah, he sort of sinks a little
He
bit.
does a little bit because he doesn't kick.
Yeah, you got to kick.